Sir Fernandez po anak.
Masaya pala ang smooth niya.
Dear Unbox Diary and Idol fans, kami po'y nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagsuporta sa live collaboration nitong July 6, 2024 with Unbox Diary and Idol Philippines. We sincerely apologize for what happened last night. The original plan for the peso deal is we will release 1 pieces of A50 for only 1 peso. That night, the live is doing good. That's why the management decided to increase it from 10 pieces of A50 for 1 peso. Subalit, nagkaroon po ng technical issues ang system.